Hello guys, so we're in New York City. We're gonna go to AnimeNYC. So first things first, we were gonna get a badge, but we gotta get coffee because I gotta get energetic for you guys. Right, Ryan, thanks for hosting. All right, we're gonna head over there. So this guy shaved his whole mustache and beard. He came up to me and I didn't even recognize him. He was like, "What's up?" I was like, "Hey." Dude,
yeah.
So I'm here with my mom here at AnimeNYC. How do you like it?
It's great.
Yeah?
Day one, it's great.
Have you gone inside yet?
No, but the people here are so energetic, happy, and they just, I don't know, the energy is great.
She hasn't gone inside yet, but she already loves it. That's how good it is.
That's how good it is.
Okay, so I mean, first impression, this place is kind of big. I've been here before, but I haven't really walked around. And I'm right here by the Gunpla booth with Bluefin. There's a lot of exclusive items they have right here. But there's 2 halls, so keep in mind where you are, so you can explore the whole thing. Okay, so we have 3 days here. So I just finished playing that. It's very similar to One's Justice 1. They have improved graphics with more characters and stage. So I mean, I didn't really get to play much. I played 1 round. It's pretty decent. If you're a My Hero fan, you'll like it. So I've only been here for about 30 minutes, but there's already so many stuff that I want to buy. Oh my gosh. And things are already being sold out, so. Oh guys, these are super dope. Okay, so what I'm noticing on this side of the vendor hall is lots of line because things sell out. So people are trying to get their merch before they sell out. So, and there's a lot exclusive too. It's really cool. So that's really cool. They have a Gunpla building workshop that's going on right here.
It's called Code Illusion. It's a coding game by Disney.
Okay.
Or it's a coding game by Life is Tech, but it's partnered with Disney, and it's just a bunch of exercises and games that help you learn how to code HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and by the end of it, you should be able to build your own game or your own website.
We learned all about it.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Cool.
Okay, so here's some advice. So I had some issues bringing in my sword on the airplane. So if that's ever a case, you can come by here and pick up a sword.
I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever. 'Cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo. So tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like. Singing like. Party like. Freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like.
I did half the exhibit hall today, so I'm gonna do the other half maybe in a bit, but I gotta recharge. Get myself some Starbucks.
I'm ready.
Have a good time, so call me whenever. 'Cause
Now this is a wholesome comedy. I just ran into like a ton of people, and I actually met this guy way back in Puerto Rico last year.
Yeah.
Oh my god, way cool. How do you like AnimeNYC right now?
It's good, very good, very good. I love it. First time here, I just recently moved. That's why I see.
Oh really?
From Puerto Rico, yeah.
Way cool.
party like freaking out.
Okay, so I'm gonna end the vlog right now, but to rent some friends right here. How have you guys been for AnimeNYC?
We've been good. I think, yeah. It's been pretty dope. We met a corgi in the artist alley and it was the best.
Yeah, we literally just sat there on the floor for like 10 minutes and just played with the dogs.
I thought you were gonna say like an hour or something.
No, it was like half an hour.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's been great.
I have no perception of time after playing with the dogs.
There we go. Awesome. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
You just sing